If you want to remove audio from your video completely, Handbrake makes it quick and easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is perfect if you want to create a silent version of your video, remove background noise, or prepare a clip for editing with your own custom audio later. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Handbrake on your computer. Once it's loaded, the next thing you need to do is import your video. To do that, click on the file option and load the video you want to edit, or simply drag and drop it into the Handbrake window if that's easier for you. After your video is loaded, take a look at the tabs across the top or in the main settings area and click on the audio tab. This is where Handbrake shows all of the audio tracks that are attached to your video. Inside the audio section, you'll see a list of every audio track included in the file. If your video has multiple tracks, they'll all appear here one by one. Now to remove the audio, you have two options. You can click the X remove button next to each audio track to delete them individually, or if you want to remove everything at once, use the clear button to wipe out all the audio tracks from the list. This is the fastest way to make sure your exported video has no sound at all. Once all the audio tracks are removed, take a moment to double check that the audio list is empty. This step is important because if even one track is left behind, your video will still export with sound. After that, you're ready for the final step. Click Start Encode to begin the conversion process. Handbrake will now process your video and create a new version without any audio. Depending on the size and length of your video, this may take a little while, so just let it finish encoding completely. When it's done, you'll have a video file with the audio removed, ready to use wherever you need it. So that's the simple way to remove audio from your video using Handbrake. No complicated editing, no extra software, just a few clicks and you're done. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.